no-nos in skincare.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti and I'm super excited to be sharing today's video. Today's video is one of the most requested video of me. There were a lot of my friends who also asked about me. There were so many DMs I got on this particular topic. So by the title you guys already know what it is. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. In this video I'd be sharing with you guys the basic skincare essentials that a guy needs or to start up their skincare. If you're somebody who wants to start maintaining yourself and you don't know where to go, I think this is the right spot. So stay tuned for that. So before going into the video, I want to take a minute or so and just help talk to you guys about what skincare is. Now when you maintain a solid skincare, it makes a huge difference. It shows up on your face. It is one of the most important things that you can never take. You can never take it easy. You always have to maintain your skin no matter what it is. There are basically three levels for skincare. The first one is basic, intermediate and advanced. We'll start up on the basic part of it. So talking about basic skincare, you need three important things that you always need to remember: cleansing of your face, moisturizing, and skincare maintenance. These are like the three most important things in any skincare. When I tell you guys facial cleansing, that does not mean that squeaky cleanness that comes into your mind right now. We need a facial cleanser that strips up the dirt, the oil, the gunk and impurities, but still it has enough of good face oils in the face so that it does not make your skin more irritated. So that is what facial cleansing means. One of the best cleansers in the market is any cleanser with a good ingredient like salicylic acid. Now what salicylic acid does is it helps strip up the bad oil or the gunk or impurities, and it always helps protect your good face oils so that it gives a little moisturization to the skin. One of the best I have two face washes. The first one is this one right over here. This is the Kama Ayurveda's foaming face wash. It's really good. But if you want something on an affordable side, I'd like to go with the Himalayas foaming oil and cleanser from Himalaya. It's super good. It's much nourishing. It's super light and it just comes out like a foam. Okay. It just squirt out like this. This is enough for the entire face. Just go on in your face, just massage it and go on your face for like a good I'd like to say like 50 to 60 seconds, and that's enough. It's really soft, very moist, and it does not strip out the excess gunk in the body, and I feel like that is one of the most important things. This cleanser is really good. It does not strip away the good facial oils, but it also cleans the face. So this is one of the best face washes if you want to start your skincare with. The second part of the skincare that you always have to take care of is the eye cream. Now the region under the eyes is 10 times much thinner than the skin all around your body. So taking good care of your eyes is very important, and that immediately shows on your face. I have two products for you guys. The first one is from Kiehl's. It's their creamy avocado. Let me focus. This is the creamy avocado. It's super light and it has a very gel-like consistency, and it's really good for the under eyes. It is highly moisturizing and it's richly potent, and I feel like even a quarter size of it is much more than enough for the entire day. You can go ahead and apply the eye cream anytime in the day after washing your face, and especially during the night, it works wonders. The other one I have is from Clinique Moisture Surge. This is their eye treatment. This is how tiny it is, but it's super good. It's very lightweight. It's highly moisturizing. The only difference between these two is this is more on a creamier side. Like it says, it's a creamy eye treatment, and this is more on a gel consistency. So if you're in any oily type, if your skin is an oily skin, you can go ahead with the Clinique, or else definitely give this a shot. Both of these are a little high in price, but I feel like for the eyes you always have to take something that is good, so that and both of these show a huge difference on working every single day. I love these so much, and these work wonders for anybody. The next step is moisturizer, and before going into moisturizer, I did ask a couple of people here and there, my friends and everybody, and I was shocked by the number of people who told me that, you know, no, we don't use moisturizer on a daily basis. Like, I don't have the time, or I forget about it, or sometimes it's sticky and gets irritated. I do understand the sticky part of it, but not moisturizing your face or your skin is one of the big no-nos in skincare. You always have to moisturize, and I have like two to three different kinds of moisturizers, two for the body and one for the face. So going to the first one, this is the Himalayas Nourishing Skin Cream. This is how it is. This is a really good skincare. I really like it. And one of the best parts about this, it's very light. It's very light on the skin. It's very moisturizing. It does not grease up. It's not very greasy or very irritating. But if you're an oily skin, I try to use it in a very little quantity, not more. But this is an amazing product to start off with. You can always build it up on a day-to-day basis. If you are a dry skin type, please use it multiple times in a day so that it gives your body enough moisture that your body needs. This is super affordable. It's very light. Another best moisturizer for the face for oily skin is the Clinique's. I do have it, but I can't find it now. But this is the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is the best face moisturizers for anybody, any skin type. Specifically oily, but any skin type can use this. It's an amazing product. It works wonders. And I'm telling you guys, if you are ready to invest in a nice skincare product, invest in this. This is amazing. The next thing I have is for body, and I have two different variants. Both of them are from Bath & Body Works. So let's go on with the first thing. This is a light moisturizer. This is the Aromatherapies Energy. This is how it is. I got this recently, but for guys, this is an ideal moisturizer. You just have to apply it very little. It's very fast absorbent. It absorbs into your skin within seconds. There's no issue with it, and it smells amazing. It's like that musky deodorant smell, but it works wonders. And one of the most important things is always moisturize your body, not just the parts that you can see when you wear your clothes, but the entire body. Just come out of your shower and then just moisturize your body. And if you're somebody who wants a little more nourishment, like a dry skin type, I love you guys to try this. This is the Bath & Body Works Cocoa Shea Butter, Cocoa Butter thingy. This is very creamy. It's a body butter. It's very thick. My dad uses this, my husband uses this, everybody uses. This is amazing. It smells really good, but at the same time it gives the amount of nourishment that is required for the skin. And I feel like having a good moisturizer is very important. And find a moisturizer that works well for you. Do not skip on moisturization, please. It's very important. And the last part of it is SPF. Now SPF is something that is very important. Being in India, you have to have SPF on your face every day, 365 days. So the best in the market for now I could find is the Neutrogena Sheer Zinc. This is how it is. This is a really good sunscreen. It has an SPF of 50, UVA, UVB protection. It gives all kinds of protection. The only downside to this is it does give a little white cast. So I'd suggest when you're going on with a moisturizer on your face, just put it a little, mix it in with your moisturizer and then apply, so it does not give that white cast. And if you are somebody who wants to go ahead and take the extra step, please carry a sunscreen with you every single time, because you always need to reapply. And this I have the one from CGG. This is the sunscreen. This is how it looks like. It comes in a spray bottle. Yeah, it comes in a spray bottle like this. It's very fine, and you can keep reapplying this every time whenever you want when you're outside. This is really affordable, and I find that this works well when you're reapplying it rather than using it as a primary sunscreen. It's really good. And the last thing is what I prefer, or anybody in my house, all the guys in the house, what we prefer is we make our own sunscreen. I'm almost done with it, but this is a sunscreen that we make in the house. It's a DIY sunscreen. If you guys want to know, let me know in the comment section down below, so I'll do a separate video on how to make it. But that is pretty much what the products you need to use. Now coming to skincare maintenance, remember one thing: skincare is something you can never know within one day of use. There are some products that you keep using them over a period of time. You can find the results after 6 months, after 1 year. So always skincare maintenance, that is very important. So just doing it for one day is not enough. You have to keep doing it for every single day throughout your life, and then you will find a difference. That is it for this video. Let me know if you want to see the intermediate and advanced for men. I will skincare for men. Leave it in the comment section down below. I would love to do it. And if you like this video, please like it. And if there are some if there is your boyfriend or your husband or your dad, anybody who wants to start with their skincare, or you want them to start, please share this, and it would mean a lot to me. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.